Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. You guys know what I'm about to say. It's important so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today we are super excited because we are about to decorate our first Christmas tree. The only bad thing is that the flowers them never come, so we have to go literally. But no, I could see it go. So we have the hooks, the balls, more balls, the bow, and some little thingy. Them look like snowflake, but them are like round type of thing. It match the curve. What do we see? Let's just get right into it. We're probably gonna just speed up the video here because it's gonna be so long. So I guess you'll use the wire and fish it through. You don't even know how it works. You have different sizes and shapes. Now see them? Can I zoom in? No, it's definitely coming the manual. And then there are the bow. When I end up getting the flowers then. Anyways, we make it work. Anything we're missing, I go just go get it and add it in. But I could just use what we have for now. And the star. I have to work with the star the way in. To the Christmas tree already last night. It was a long process because I have to just have spin it round. So my cousin did tell me that to make the Christmas tree look more full, I did to do the Christmas light up and down, but it didn't give me a hard time, so I just carry it around because it did easier that way. But it still look full and nice when the lights turn on. Thank you, don't they?
Yeah, nice. Interesting.
Yeah.
I don't see how it is.
And then just put the little gold thing them in there. So let us get into it, guys. So baby, I know how to do this?
No, I have no idea. One thing if you have no figure out the star. Oh, then good string on them.
Alright. So the star gone on.
See?
Nancy?
Basically, you just catch over a leaf.
Yeah, I assume.
Yeah, kind of Christmas tree or something we're going to beat up or whatever.
I'm so excited.
So it's about them and one.
Yeah, go mix it. Just mix it around. Oh, see, okay, babe. Them one that come with no string, so you're going to use the book.
Let's put it somewhere.
Yeah. You're not talking to me, like. That's not me. Really and truly, I was thinking about doing red for the Christmas theme here. No, like the red Christmas. Oh, it's a like a star. It's so cute. They're really nice and cute.
Okay, middle
Let's see.
no, sir, me got one call if it is.
The Christmas tree is a thing like this where you have to just always touch and fix until it gets perfect. Like, probably I don't think so. But I know I never stop fast with it and like, you know, arrange properly. Yeah, add them on there from now. So when you come, you can just take them off. This though, I don't know how it works. They want that me have to use the fishing line for true. Or you can just add one of them hooks up here in there. Yeah, it looks like you can just add one in there. Or is that thing ready for this?
If I eat it, you get it
You can ramp, you see?
We love ramp like you.
Nobody. They really love ramp. But good job. It looks cute. Thank you. Yo, it take a long time. So I have to go cut up the video, then I give it a nice little time lapse so open and enjoy it. But this is it. I think we should have go with like warm color lights, like almost yellow, but this can work. Guess what I never remember? The skirt for the Christmas tree. Let me go feed. Yes, we'll see. You don't know what it is, sir?
Our Christmas tree I do with skirt.
So this must go under the Christmas tree. Yay! Oh my god, it's so pretty.
I something that if you catch you leave them. Most that.
Whoa, me know say that find one shortcut for clean up the mess.
If you clean up, no, if you not clean them, sir.
Oh god. So when I come home and I play with it, I can like arrange some other stuff them. Cause you know you're going to see something where you feel like not in place. But you can always move and put somewhere else. But it's nice. Guys, tell me why I reach where me I go and me just remember say me never spray the snow thingy, the spray on the Christmas tree. Whoa. Look at most me not even remember the skirt. Anyways, let me know if it will work. No, but I spray because I don't want to spray this something and then it gonna mess up the other ornaments them.